Last time I was wondering if early mining was protective or controlling. So, I handed the mic to the part of me that needed answers, not assumptions. Let's go beyond the story and into the structure. So this time, I let the more analytical side of me take over. Let's break this down with code. What did Satoshi actually do? You've heard the theories, now let's look at the architecture. When Bitcoin first launched in 2009, there were no exchanges, no price charts, no NFTs, no decentralized finance, nothing. It wasn't even Web 3 yet, you could call it Web 0. There was no money to be made from mining back then, it was just a belief in a new idea. So why did Satoshi mine so much? Let's look at the facts. Between Jan 2009 and mid-2010, most blocks came from a single miner, probably Satoshi. The pattern of nonce and extra nonce fields show consistent behavior. One machine. Pauses between blocks. No mining pool behavior. This was deliberate, not optimized to maximize profits. He was maintaining block production when no one else was. Bitcoin needed consistent 10-minute intervals to stabilize time between transactions, difficulty adjustments, and issuance rate. It's the heartbeat of the chain. Why didn't he use multiple machines? He could have. GPU mining was emerging by late 2010, but Satoshi didn't jump on it. Why? Because decentralization doesn't start with dominance. It starts with trust and participation. What about the coins? Roughly 1.1 million BTC mined by what we call the Patoshi pattern, but zero confirmed outbound transactions. That means no sell-offs. Not even consolidation. In Web 3 today, we talk about fair launch versus VC rounds versus pre-mines. But Satoshi essentially invented the fair launch. No ICO, no allocation, no insider tokens. In a world where founders use tokenomics as exit liquidity, Satoshi designed a system where even he couldn't exit. This wasn't just coding a chain. It was modeling governance without governors. Designing value accrual without middlemen. He made sure no one, not even himself, had admin keys. This isn't mythology. This is verifiable on-chain behavior. And if we're building Web 3, seriously, we should study that kind of intent like a blueprint. There's more to this story and more layers to peel. Stick around. The deeper we dig, the more critical the questions become.